Hi, a day in my life is a youth, and as you can see, 5:42 a.m. and because mag-jogging ako, and I encourage everyone to do some cardio like walking and jogging kahit 30 minutes to 1 hour kasi it supports our overall physical fitness. Kahit short lang guys, like nang ginawa ko that time. And after that, hindi mawawala ang coffee. Syempre, every morning yan para maging productive tayo for the whole day. And after I drank my coffee, syempre nagugas na rin ako ng pinagkainan ng breakfast while si Papa is nagluluto ng foods for lunch. And ako rin yung naka-schedule that time. And we all know na responsibility nating mga anak na magugas ng bangkan kasi sila na yung nagluluto. And naglabad na rin ako ng mga things at saka mga uniforms ko kasi pasukan ko na din yan. Maluwag ang schedule tuwing morning and puro pang hapon to gabi yung aking schedule. Lunchtime, yung kasi pinag-pray namin ng food and sabay-sabay talaga kaming kumakain ng mga kapatid ko and family ko. As you can see, may mga kapatid ako. Senior high, high school, elementary, and also college. And college na din pala ako. And our bunso, Kezia. Ayan ang aking family. And after that, naligo and nag-prepare na rin ako dahil may schedule ako ng pasok ng hapon to gabi. And sa Tarlac State University ako nag-aaral as a nursing student and ayan, nag-aayos ako because we need to be presentable and malinis tignan at the same time. And ayan, binaban ko ang aking hair kasi nasa rules namin yung mga nursing student and inaayos ko ang aking face and syempre, don't forget to wear perfumes din. And ito palang aking campus sa Lasinda. And ito ang aming building. And ito na lang papakita ko dahil bawal namang video sa pinakaloob ng room. And ayan, natapos ng aking class ng gabi. And yan, naghintay ako ng sundo and nakauwi na ako here. And I think dito na magtatapos ang ating A Day in My Life as a Youth. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and God bless. Bye-bye!